Hello, I'm Dr.Aniketh Venkataram. I'm a cosmetic plastic surgeon. I'm currently based in Bangalore at 3 locations at the Venkat Center for Skin, ENT and Plastic Surgery in Vijayanagar and Banshankari, and at Eva Aesthetics in Karnataka. What is the success rate of migraine surgery? Well, in well-selected patients, 90% of patients report an improvement. In this 90%, 45% say that their migraines completely go away. Another 45% say that their migraines improved, but they haven't gone away completely. But still their quality of life is much better. In 10% of patients, they did not report an improvement. That is probably because they weren't good candidates for this surgery. As I explained, not everyone with a migraine is a candidate for this procedure. Those with a trigger nerve are candidates for this procedure. Those with trigger nerves, when they hear me say this, I'm sure they'll have a light bulb moment where they realize what their trigger nerve is. Anyone, as someone who suffers from migraines, I know how frustrating and debilitating this can be. The day you have a migraine is like a day just gone out of your life. There's nothing that you can do. And for those kind of patients, this can be very helpful. So, if you think you are a good candidate for this, you can consider this as a very viable option.